Hello, it's your fellow singing engineer, Roy Moy III with STEMusic, a company with a mission to inspire the next generation of multicultural science, technology, engineering, and math professionals through engaging and entertaining music. Now, why is STEMusic important? It's important because I'm bringing the opportunity to get to know about science, technology, engineering, and math to students from underrepresented communities and letting them know that they too belong in the STEM universe. They too can have a career in STEM. And I'm doing it through a positive way, an inspirational way, with music, with engagement, with excitement, to help them really see how they can be a part of this world. What are kids saying after a STEMusic concert or a keynote that is provided?
Well, I'm with my maze crew right here. All right.
They're leaving with energy. They're leaving inspired. They're leaving knowing and understanding that they too have a shot at becoming a scientist, an engineer, a mathematician, a coder. They're going through the concert, jamming out to the music, but also seeing what their future may be. I've had the opportunity to take STEMusic across the nation, from the Science and Engineering Festival in San Diego to the USA Science and Engineering Festival organization events that happen in Phoenix, Washington, D.C., all across the country. I've also had the opportunity to bring STEMusic to library systems and children's museums. STEMusic truly has an opportunity to engage the next generation in science, technology, engineering, and math. And we're going across the country, sharing this message, exciting students, exciting educators, and even professionals on how they too can get involved in STEM in a musical, fun way.
Here comes the chorus.